Hello Leo, welcome again to another tarot reading video. For today, let's do a September update. Ano ang posibleng paparating for you? Blessings, advice, and energies for the month of September. Leo, tingnan natin. Pwede to sa iyong Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and Saturn placements. But if you have a lot of Leo placements as well, pwede to. Kung makaresonate, use it as a guide. Kung hindi naman, ibigay sa iba. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Sobrang helpful nun para mas mag-continue or maengganyo tayong mag-upload pa ng tarot readings for you. And if interested naman na magpa-read with me, lahat ng contact details, social media details, nasa description ng video ito. I appreciate lahat yung mga bagong subscribers again, followers. Thank you so much. Let's see. Tingnan muna natin. Energies ng September mo. Leo. I can see images, concerts, pwedeng mapuno ng celebrations ang iyong month of September. May pupuntahan kang concert, gig, kung ikaw ay musician or mahilig sa mga ganong events. Meron akong nakikitang positive energy. And also, blend with sobrang daming bright lights. Pwedeng ikaw ay mas makakaramdam ng attention, more on. Ang daming nakaabang sa'yo, ang daming mga matang nakatingin sa'yo. Fame energy. Ayun, elevate ng status in life. Pressure. Merong pressure for Leos here. Pressure is good kasi mas magkakaroon ka ng drive to focus on building the life that you want. Pero wag ding hayaang maging rason yun para ma-burnt out ka. I-balance ang lahat. So let's see. We have here 9 of Swords. Death card. 4 of Cups. 6 of Cups. 7 of Pentacles. Okay. Energies for Leo. Aside sa pressure, meron ako nakikitang isolation. Pwedeng makaramdam ka ng gusto mong i-isolate despite sa pag-receive mo ng madaming attention, popularity, I heard fame. Mas gugustuhin mo this month of September na mapag-isa, mag-isip, lumayo. Meron ako nakikitang ending of partnership dito, relationship. For some, there's also a cut na connection related from the past. Acceptance here. And for some of you, may mga manliligaw, admirers, pero I don't see this for most of you na i-entertain or papasok ng relationship sa September. And what else? Mas magpo-focus ka kasi sa iyong kaperahan, sa iyong pentacles. For some of you, you are building wealth, stability sa career, sa mas tangible things. Ang daming celebration, pero despite sa celebratory energy, there is isolation here. Another paparating or blessings for Leos this September. We got 5 of Swords, the Devil card, Queen of Swords, 5 of Wands, and 9 of Wands. Ayun. For your blessings and possible blessings and mga paparating, I can see an intense attraction from someone here sa'yo. You may not know or see it kung sino to. Kasi nga, ang energy ng September mo, Leo, ang daming attraction towards you. And meron ako nakikita dito, you will gain courage to be more different. You will fight for your freedom more, for your beliefs. For some of you, mas magkakaroon ka ng a blessing to know kung ano talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay. There's a clarity here. For some of you, there's a blessing here dahil nga sa may pag-ending ng any kinds ng relationship. You will see kung sino talaga yung karapat-dapat sa trust mo, sa communication and energy mo. And for some of you here, may ingat lang kasi may feminine energy dito na may lihim na may patagong nag-o-observe sa'yo. And this person or this feminine energy waiting for you to like fail, but hindi naman mangyayari yun. So, be careful kung sino ang mga pinapapasok mo sa buhay mo. And another here, there is an expansion when it comes to your career, sa relationship. May elevation dito, pwedeng from lovers to married, ganun, or live-in partners. And for some of you here, lalo na kung single ka, be careful when it comes to opening yourself up sa bagong makikilala mo or bagong kakilala mo lang. Maging cautious ka sa mga informations na ibibigay or isi-share mo. I can see here that there is a stability when it comes to your actions. Mas magiging stable ka na, magkakaroon ka na ng freedom to choose, freedom to act. And for some of you here, there is an opportunity to study, to train, para mas maging maganda ang career ng finances mo. For others naman, ikaw ay teacher, coach, nag-guide ka ng tao, nagbibigay ka ng guidance for your advice for Leo. Habaan din ng pasensya, Leo. Habaan ng pasensya, umiwas sa gulo, sa conflict. Hindi kailangang manakit ka or makasakit just to prove sa kanila na tama ang pinaglalaban mo. Okay. We got the Chariot here. Queen of Cups. The Empress. 10 of Wands. And 6 of Pentacles. Medyo chaotic, intense, and busy ang September mo. For some of you, there's travel here. Mas focus ka din sa iyong health. Magkakaroon ka ng maayos na progress when it comes to your health. For some of you here, you will feel more emotionally mature, emotionally intentional towards your action sa isang partnership, friendship man yan, family, or romantic partner, and you will feel more more to yourself. Alam mo yung mas makikita mo yung physical progress mo, pati yung sa kaperahan mo. Yung creation mo or yung creativity mo, kung ano man yung create or ginawa mo, pinlano mo, pinagplanuhan mo, or gagawin mo, mas magkakaroon na siya dito ng magandang bunga. And although makakaramdam ka ng pagod here, na parang ikaw lahat ikaw lahat yung gumagawa, ikaw lahat nagpo-perform, ikaw lahat nagbibigay, pero hindi ko nakikita dito that you will stop or just procrastinate. You instead, mas magpa-fight ka, mas magiging eager ka to really do the things that you want, that you like, that you want to achieve in life. And you will feel that the need to find balance in everything para mas magkaroon ka ng success rate sa mga plano mo sa buhay. For some of you, merong babalik from the past, gustong bumalik from the past. Here, nag-end na yung relationship mo sa kanya, pero mararamdaman or nararamdaman mo pa rin yung energies niya sa'yo. This could be a lover, a friend. And yes, this is your reading, Leo. If naka-resonate, don't forget to leave your energies by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channels and videos. Thank you.